Looking for the best circular saw in 2026? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best circular saws of 2026, featuring powerful corded and cordless options for woodworking, DIY projects, and construction. We'll compare their performance, cutting capacity, features, portability, and overall value to help you find the right circular saw for your needs.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Circular Saw. The DEWALT DCS391B20V Max 6 to 1/2 inch circular saw is a cordless sidewinder style saw designed for woodworking and construction. It features a 5,150 revolutions per minute motor, a durable magnesium shoe, comfortable rubber overmold grip, and 0 to 50 degrees bevel capacity. The included 6.5 inch carbide-tipped blade provides cutting depths of about 2 1/8 inches at 90 degrees and 1 5/8 inches at 45 degrees. It is a tool-only model, so the 20V Max battery and charger are sold separately. DEWALT lists a 3-year limited warranty. Number 2. SKIL 15 amp 7 to 1/4 inch circular saw. The SKIL 5280-01 15 amp 7 and 1/4 inch corded circular saw is a feature-packed corded model aimed at DIY and woodworking projects. Its 15 amp motor delivers up to 5,300 revolutions per minute, while the single beam laser is designed to help with cut line visibility. It includes a 24-tooth carbide blade, spindle lock, integrated dust blower, safety lockout trigger, and a 51 degrees bevel range with a positive stop at 45 degrees. SKIL lists a maximum cutting depth of 2 7/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 15/16 inches at 45 degrees, with an 8.7 pound tool weight. The package includes the saw, blade, wrench, and carrying bag. Number 3. BOSCH CCS 180B18V Blade Left Circular Saw. The BOSCH CCS 180B18V 6/1/2 inch blade left circular saw is a cordless bare tool model designed for woodcutting. It features a 3,900 revolutions per minute no-load speed, a 6/1/2 inch blade, and a 50 degrees bevel range, with a maximum cutting depth of 2 inches at 90 degrees. Its blade left configuration is designed to improve visibility of the cut line for right-handed users, while the dust blower helps keep that line clear. BOSCH also includes electronic motor and cell protection, an electronic brake, an aluminum foot and upper guard, and a lock-off release. The tool weighs about 6.6 to 6.7 pounds without the battery, and the battery and charger are sold separately. BOSCH lists a 5-year limited warranty for its 18V cordless power tools. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 20V 5/1/2 Cordless Circular Saw. The BLACK+DECKER BDCCS 20B20V Max 5 to 1/2 inch cordless circular saw is a compact, battery-powered model designed for DIY cutting projects. It uses a high-torque brushed motor with a maximum speed of 3,700 revolutions per minute, a 5.5 inch blade, tool-free depth adjustment, tool-free blade changes, and bevel detents at 45 degrees and 90 degrees. The pivoting shoe adds control, while its compatibility with the 20V Max Power Connect battery system lets the same battery work across compatible tools. The bare tool version does not include a battery or charger, weighs about 6 pounds, and carries a 2-year limited warranty according to BLACK+DECKER. Number 5. Makita 5007 MGA 7/1/4 Magnesium Circular Saw. The Makita 5007 MGA 7 and 1/4 inch magnesium circular saw is a corded professional style saw with a 15 amp motor running at 5,800 revolutions per minute. It uses lightweight magnesium components, weighs about 10.6 pounds, and offers a 2.5 inch maximum cutting capacity at 90 degrees with bevel capacity up to 56 degrees. Features include dual LED lights, a built-in dust blower, rubberized adjustment levers, and an electric brake. Makita includes a 24-tooth carbide-tipped blade, rip fence, hex wrench, and tool case.